Welcome to today's deep dive. We're really thrilled to have you joining us.
Yeah, absolutely. Really glad to be here for this one.
So today our source material comes straight from HDTV Supply's product specs for a highly specialized piece of AV equipment. It is the Just Add Power MC-TX3 4K 60 transmitter with AES67 and USB-C.
It's quite a mouthful, but a seriously cool device.
It really is. And our mission today is to cut through all that technical jargon and figure out why this little device is such a powerhouse for modern audio-video setups.
Oh.
Okay, let's unpack this. Because it is incredibly impressive that a piece of hardware weighing only 1.4 pounds and measuring just under 8 inches long can handle such heavy data loads.
It really is a marvel of efficiency. I mean, when you look at the raw specifications, it's packing the processing power of a much larger, legacy system into an incredibly small footprint.
And the visual capabilities are just robust. The MC-TX3 natively supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz.
Both in and out, right?
Exactly, both in and out. Alongside 36-bit deep color. Plus, it handles every major high dynamic range format dynamically. So we're talking HDR10, HDR10+, HFG, and Dolby Vision.
Which is huge. Because it handles those formats dynamically, installers no longer have to worry about color space compatibility issues between different brands of displays in the exact same building.
Yeah, that saves a ton of headaches on site.
Oh, definitely. But what's fascinating here is the audio integration. It isn't just a simple video pass-through device. It features full AES67 integration.
Meaning it can handle a lot of audio channels at once.
Right, it can input up to 8 channels of uncompressed LPCM audio. But more importantly, it seamlessly injects that AES67 audio directly into the IT network.
So any AES67 source from your broader audio system can basically play right over the HDMI video feed.
You got it. It completely bridges the gap between high-end video and professional network audio.
Wait, though, if it's pushing uncompressed 4K video and routing professional audio simultaneously, how is it not creating a serious bottleneck on a standard IT network?
That is where its bandwidth management comes into play. It caps out at 850 megabits per second.
Oh, wow. So it sits comfortably within the limits of a standard gigabit network infrastructure.
Exactly. You don't need a dedicated, isolated fiber network just for the AV signals anymore.
So what does this all mean? For you, the listener, whether you're designing a corporate boardroom or a large-scale entertainment venue, it basically translates to ultimate flexibility.
Flexibility is the perfect word for it.
Because it has a USB-C port right on the front and full KVM support, allowing you to route a keyboard, a mouse, a touchscreen display, and even a webcam interface straight through this little box.
And managing all those sources is highly intuitive. It generates a secondary low-bandwidth MJPEG stream.
Which lets you preview the feed. Right?
Yeah, it lets you preview a live 30 frames per second video feed right in a standard web browser without taxing the main network at all. But what really makes this a standout tool is its extreme scalability. It mixes and matches flawlessly with any other MaxColor product.
I mean, imagine trying to run traditional HDMI cables to 160 different TVs in a multi-level sports bar.
An absolute nightmare.
A total nightmare of signal degradation and cable management. But a decentralized IP system like this turns a physical cabling problem into a simple software routing task.
Right, you just keep adding endpoints to the network as your needs grow.
Because it runs on standard PoE.
Precisely. You aren't hunting for outlet space in the rack or dealing with a nest of proprietary power supplies.
You just plug another one of these into the network switch.
And the software handles the rest.
It fundamentally changes how we think about routing media. You're no longer limited by the physical ports on a traditional matrix switcher.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, this device proves that audio-video distribution has transitioned into a fully integrated IT network solution.
Yeah, pushing that 850 megabits per second of bandwidth.
While being secured by AES256 hardware-level encryption, it's an enterprise-grade IT device that just happens to push beautiful 4K video.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you to ponder today. As standalone AV gear transforms into highly encrypted, networked mini-computers pushing gigabits of data per second, how will the physical design of our future homes and offices change when clunky AV racks are completely replaced by a few hidden networked boxes?